morning students. Now see, from today we will start our sixth lesson. Lesson's name is money. Very simple lesson it is. Now you know that for everything we require money. कुछ भी हमको अगर मार्केट से लाना है, कुछ भी चीज़ लानी है, चाहे वो वेजिटेबल्स हो, फ्रूट्स हो या कोई भी ग्रोसरी हो, हमें हर एक चीज़ खरीदने के लिए, परचेस करने के लिए पैसों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. ओके, सो इन दिस लेसन वी विल सी ऑल अबाउट मनी. ओके, नाउ रुपीस. व्हाट वी से, आई एम हैविंग 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. So how we write rupees? We write rupees by using this symbol. Okay, this is symbol of rupees. And how we write paise? We write paise by using this small t. Okay, now see in your textbook, page number 85, we can see the different types of coins, different types of rupees. We will see one by one. So which coins we are using in day-to-day life? See, first coin is 50 paisa coin. 50 paisa. Nowadays, this 50 paisa coin is very rarely it is using. We are using means no use of this 50 paise coin. But in earlier days, 50 paise coin was having some value. Nowadays, it is not having any value. Okay, now second one is 1 rupee coin. 1 rupees coin, you know very well. We can see 1 on that coin. Then 2 rupees coin. What we see? We see this 2 on that coin. Then 5 rupees coin. 5, we see that 5 number on that coin. And then 10 rupees coin. What we see on that coin? 10 number. Okay, so these are the coins we are using in day-to-day life. Then which notes we are using in day-to-day life? See, 1 rupee note. What is written on that 1 rupee note? 1. Then 2 rupees note. What is there? 2. Which number is there? 2. This is 2 rupees note. Then 5 rupee note. On that note, which number is there? 5. Then 10 rupees note. On that 10 rupees note, which number is there? 10. Okay. Then 20 rupees note. What is written on that 20 rupees note? 20 number. Then 50 rupee note. On that 50 rupee note, rupees 50 like this, that is written. Then 100 rupees note. 100 rupees 100, that is written on that note. Then 200 rupee note. This is very beautiful note because this is new note now. So 200 rupees note, very beautiful it is. 200 number is written on that note. Then 500 rupee note. What is written on that 500? 500. This is also very good looking note. Then 2000. That is the bigger note. 2000 number is written on that note. Now see your page number 86, exercise 6A. What is given here? They have shown us this toy shop. In this toy shop, so many things are there, and here prices are also written on that things. So one by one we have to solve this example. What is the question? Check the prices of various things at shop and find the cost of the following. So many things are there. So we will see first example. A cricket ball and a cricket bat and a ball. Now see, cricket bat. What is written on the cricket bat? Rupees 145. And a ball, cricket ball. What is written on that cricket ball? Rupees 65. So we have to add here rupees 145 plus price of ball is rupees 65. Okay, so we have to do here addition. 145 plus 65. Okay, so in this way we have to do the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. What is the carry? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the answer? 210 rupees. So how will you write? Rupees 210. This sign is very important. So every time you have to remember to write this rupees sign. Now what is the second example? A football and a block game. Now see here on this football, what is written? Rupees 239. So write here rupees 239 plus block game. See here upside. You can see block game. What is the price on that block game? Rupees 145. So you have to write here rupees 145. So now add these two prices. 239 plus 145. Now add this 9 plus 5, 14. What is the carry? 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is our answer? 384. So write down here rupees 384. Now see third example. A teddy bear. See this teddy bear. What is the price of that teddy bear? Rupees 230. And a doll. See, this is a very beautiful doll. What is the price of that doll? Rupees 95. So what we will write here? Rupees 230 plus price of a doll, rupees 95. So you write down 230 plus 95. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. What is the answer? Rupees 325. So in this way you have to write the answer. Now fourth question. A teddy bear and a block game. What is the price of teddy bear? 230. And a block game 145. So write down here 230 plus 145. Now add this 230 plus 145. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? Rupees 375. Okay. Now what is the fifth question? A hockey stick and a cricket bat. What is the price of hockey stick? Rupees 325. And what is the price of cricket bat? Rupees 145. So you have to write down rupees 325 plus rupees 145. Now add 325 plus 145. 5 plus 5, 10. What is the carry? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the answer? Rupees 470. So in this way, complete all the answers. Now see your page number 87, exercise 6B. So how we can write 16 rupees 25 paise? So 16 rupees, we have to write this rupees sign first, rupees 16. And what about this 25 paise? We have to give here dot, one dot, and then we have to write here 25 paise. So like this you have to write down here. Then what about this 200 rupees 95 paise? So we have to write here rupees 200, then give a small dot, then write down here 95 paise. So this dot is very much important. So by using this method, we have to now solve all these examples. A question is what? Express the following in short form. See, 75 paise. So in short form means like that only. So 75 paise. Only paise is given here, not rupees is given. So we have to write here 0.75. So in this way, because rupees are not given, so we can write here 0.75 paise. So like this you have to write down here. No need to write here paise because already rupees sign is given. Okay, if rupees sign is not given, then we can write small p. But here rupees, in every example rupees sign is given, so no need to write that small p. Okay, now see second example, 7 rupees 60 paise. Now here rupees are given, and here also what is given? Rupees sign is given. So we have to just write 7 rupees. 7 rupees 60 paise. Now put a small dot and then write down 60 rupees 7.60. The meaning of this is what? Rupees 7.60 paise. So no need to write here paise. Okay. So what is the third example? 25 rupees 10 paise. Rupees sign is already in your textbook. So just write down 25, put a small dot and 10 paise. Okay. Now see fourth example, 150 rupees 5 paise. Now somewhat different this example is there. So what we have to write here? Rupees is already given. Rupees 150. Just write down 150. Give a small dot there and 5 paise. So we cannot write 50. 50 means what? 50. So meaning of 50 paise is given here? No. What is given here? Only 5. So we have to write here 0 and then we have to write here 5. If we write here 50, meaning will be changed. Only 5 paise is there. So we have to write here 0, 5. So remember these small things here. Now see fifth example. 40 rupees 40 paise. Now we have to write here 40. Then give a small dot here. Then write down 40 paise. Okay. Now sixth example is 100 rupees 5 paise. Again same to same. So just write down 100, then give a small dot and then write down 0, 5. So in this way complete all the examples. See B question. Write in words. So first example is rupees 35.25 paise. So we have to write just in words. So first we will write here rupees 35, 20 and 25 paise. So you just write down spelling of this 35. What is this? Rupees. So write down here 35 rupees 25 paise. So write down spelling of 25 paise. Okay, so like this you have to write down. Then second example is rupees 2 and 12 paise. So you write down spelling of 2 rupees 12 paise. So you should know all the notation of these numbers. Okay, now see third example, rupees 3.5 paise. So 3 rupees 5 paise. Like this you have to write. Then fourth example is rupees 0.75. Rupees 0.75 means what? Only 75 paise. Because see 0 means rupees is not given. Only 75 paise is given. So how we can write? We can write here 75 paise. Okay, so like this you have to write down. Then fifth example is rupees 0.95. Again same. Only 95 paise is given, not rupees is given. So just write down spelling of 95 paise. So in this way you write your answer on that lines. Now see conversion of money. How we can convert this rupees into paise. Now see, you know very well 1 rupees means how many paise? 1 rupees means 100 paise. So what we have to do here, rupees 8. We have to find out how many paise are there in 8 rupees. So 8 multiplied by 100. How much? 100 multiplied by 8. 800 paise. Means rupees 8 means what? How many paise? 800 paise. Now what is the meaning of rupees 53? So what we have to do here? 53 multiplied by 100. How much? 5300 paise. So just we have to multiply that number by 100. So we will get automatically paise. So how many paise are there in 53 rupees? 5300 paise. Now same thing. What we can do? Conversion of rupees and paise into paise. See how? See, for example, rupees 7 and 65 paise. So we will first find out what is the how many paise are there in rupees 7. How we can do this? 7 multiplied by 100. And what is given here? 65 paise. So what we have to do here? 65 paise. So 100 multiplied by 7, 700 plus 65 paise. So 700 plus 65. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. This 7 as it is. So what is the answer? 765 paise. Means 7 rupees 7 and 65 paise means how many paise? 765 paise. Again now see one more example. Rupees 9 and 50 paise. So what we will do? 9 multiplied by 100 plus what is given here? 50 plus 50 paise. 9 multiplied by 100 means what? 900 plus how much? 50. 900 plus 50 equal to 950 paise. Means 9 rupees 50 paise consists of how many paise? 950 paise. So in this way we have to find out all the examples in exercise 6b. Now see your page number 88, exercise 6c. What is the example? Convert the following into paise. These rupees are given that we have to convert into paise. So rupees 70. So what we can write here? 70 multiplied by 100 equal to how much? 100 multiplied by 70. 7,000. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7,000 paise. You write down there small p. Now see second example, rupees 87. So what you have to write? 87 multiplied by 100. So 100 multiplied by 87 means 8,700 paise. So see, blank space is given there. On that blank space you can write in a very short handwriting. Okay. Now see third example, rupees 2 and 56 paise. Rupees 2 means what? 2 multiplied by 100 plus 56 paise. So 100 multiplied by 2, 200 plus 56 equal to 256 paise. So what you have to do here, you just write down this answer there. Which answer? 256 paise. Suppose 2 rupees 2 and 56 paise. Third example, you draw all that lines in front of all these examples with your pencil and scale, and you just write down directly the answer 256 paise, because see, there is no space. Then how will you write all these things there? So just write down 256 on that lines. You draw here lines with your scale and pencil. Okay. Now see fourth example. Rupees 4 and 95 paise. So I am writing here so you can understand how we get this answer. So just you write down directly the answer. Now see carefully. Rupees 4 and 95 paise. Rupees 4 means what? 4 multiplied by 100 plus how many paise? 95. 100 multiplied by 4, 400 plus 95. 400 plus 95 means 495 paise. So you just write down there only this answer 495 paise. Now see fifth example. Rupees 6 and 75 paise. Rupees 6 means what? 6 multiplied by 100 plus 75. 100 multiplied by 6 means 600 plus 75 means how much? 675 paise. So you just write down 675 paise there. Now see sixth example. Rupees 8 and 42 paise. Rupees 8 means what? 8 multiplied by 100 plus 42 paise. 800, 100 multiplied by 8 means how much? 800 plus 42 paise means 842 paise. So 842 paise is your answer. Then 9 and 45, rupees 9 and 48 paise. 9 rupees means what? 9 multiplied by 100 plus 48 paise. 9 multiplied by 100 means how much? 900 plus 48 equal to how much? 948 paise. So just write down this answer there, 948 paise. Now 7 and rupees 7 and 35 paise. 7 rupees means what? 7 multiplied by 100 plus how many paise are there? 35. So 35. 100 multiplied by 7 equal to 700 plus 35. 735 paise is our answer. So you write down here 735 paise. So what is given in the box, that answer you have to write down there. Okay. Now see B question. Convert the following into paise. Now this B question you have to write in your notebook, because there is no space given and these examples are very big. So in your notebook you write down 6th lesson money, exercise 6C, then write down B question, convert the following into paise. Then write down first example, rupees 12.96. So you just write down rupees 12 means how much? 12 multiplied by 100 plus 96 paise. Then 12 multiplied by 100 means what? 1200 plus 96 paise equal to, what is the answer? See here, 1200 plus 96. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 0, 9. 2 as it is, 1 as it is. What is the answer? 1296 paise. So this answer, all these steps you have to write in your notebook. Then write down second example, rupees 3.15. So rupees 3 means how much? 3 multiplied by 100 plus this 15 paise. So 100 multiplied by 3 means what? 300 plus 15 paise. 300 plus 15 means 315 paise. So this all these things you have to write in your notebook. Now see third example. Rupees 19.50. 19 means what? Rupees 19 means what? 19 multiplied by 100 plus 50. 90 multiplied by 100 means what? 1900. 1900 plus 50 equal to 1950 paise. So all these things you write in your notebook. Then write down fourth example. Rupees 1.50. 1 rupees means what? 1 multiplied by 100 plus 50 paise. 100 ones are 100. 100 plus 50 paise. 100 plus 50 means 150 paise. So let's write down like this in your notebook. Then fifth example, rupees 0.08. Now here rupees is not given. So already paise are given. How many paise are there? 8 paise. So rupees given here, no problem, but no rupees are there, only 8 paise is given. So what is our answer? You just write down 8 paise. Because rupees is not given, so we can write directly the answer. So in this way, write in your notebook. Now see sixth example, rupees 0.05. So here rupees is not given, only 5 paise is given. So directly you write down answer 5 paise. Okay, now see seventh example, rupees 8.05. Here 8 rupees is given. So what we can write here? 8 multiplied by 100 plus 0.5 paise. 100 multiplied by 8, 800. 800 plus 0.5 paise. How much? 805 paise. So in this way you write down in your notebook. Then 8th question, rupees 57.75. So rupees 57 means what? 57 multiplied by 100 plus 75. 57 multiplied by 100 means 5700 plus 75. So 5700 plus 75 equal to 5775 paise. So this is our answer. Then see ninth question. Rupees 80.80. 80 rupees means what? 80 multiplied by 100 plus 80 paise. 80 multiplied by 100 means what? 8000 plus 80 paise. 8000 plus 80 paise means 80 paise. So write down in your notebook. Then see 10th example. Rupees 97.65. Rupees 97 means what? 97 multiplied by 100 plus 65. 97 multiplied by 100 means what? 9700 plus 65. 9700 plus 65. 5 plus 0, 5, 6 plus 0, 6, 7 as it is, 9 as it is. What is the answer? 9765 paise. So in this way you complete all these 10 examples in your notebook. Now see, we have to convert paise into rupees. Okay, so by using very simple dot method we can solve this example. For example, see 855 paise equal to. So we have to put a dot after this first digit. Okay, so see here 855. This first digit, second digit, third digit. So we have to give a small dot here after this first digit 8.55. Rupees 8.55. So in this way we can convert this paise into directly rupees. Now see 25 paise. This 25 paise rupees we cannot write, we can write here rupees, but just write down 0.25 because only 25 paise is given. So after this 0 give a dot and then write down 25 paise. So in this way we have to solve all this example. Now see question, convert the following into rupees. So directly we can write by using this dot method. First example is 75 paise. So what we can write here, 75 paise. Only paise is given. So rupees 0.75 because only paise is given here. So only 2 digits are there. See, like here also 25 paise. 25 paise we can write rupees 0.25. So here also 75 paise we can write rupees 0.75. Okay. Now see second example, 95 paise. Here also we can write here rupees, then write down 0, then give dot and then write down 95. Okay. Then third example, 700 paise. Now see here 855 was there. So here also you just write down rupees sign, then write down 7, then put a dot here, then write down these 20. So what is the answer? Rupees 7. Okay. Then see fourth example, 666 paise equal to how much rupees? You write down here rupees, then write down here 6, then give a dot, then write down here 66. So rupees 6.66 paise is our answer. Then see fifth example, 720 paise. So 720 paise means you will write here first rupees, then write down 7, then give a dot, then write down 220. So 7 rupees 720 paise is our answer. Then see sixth example, 1400 paise. 1400 paise, then you can write here rupees, then write down 1, then give a small dot there, then you can write here 14, no, stop. Now see sixth example, 1400 paise. So in this case, see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So we have to give this dot after 2 numbers. Means 14.00. Okay. Then see seventh example. 680 paise. So 680 paise. Then you write down here 0. Then write down 6. Then give a dot. Then write down 80. Okay, then see 8th example, 2100 paise. So you write down rupees 21, then dot, give dot, then write down 00, rupees 21. Then 9th example, 2500 paise. Then write down rupees, then write down 25, then give one dot, then write down 00. So answer is rupees 25. Then 10th example, 6500 paise. Then first you write down rupees, then you write down 65, then give one dot, then write down 00. So in this way you have to write down in your textbook. Now see the question, fill in the blanks. First example is 8 rupees and 15 paise equal to dash paise. So what we have to do here, 8 rupees and 15 paise, we have to convert into paise. So we can write here 815. So you write down there 815 paise. Now see second example, rupees 30.45 paise. So just we have to remove this dot. When we remove this dot 3045, we can get the answer 3045 paise. Okay, now see third example. 1045 paise equal to rupees. This paise we have to convert into rupees. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. So we have to give point after this first two digits. So rupees 10.45. You write down like this. Now see fourth example. 39 rupees 50 paise. This also we have to convert into rupees. So 39 rupees 50 paise. So what we will write here? Rupees 39 dot 50 paise, 50. So in this way we have to write down. Then see fifth example. 2960 paise means how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to give that dot after this two digit. So rupees 29.60. So in this way we have to write down all the answers. Now see E question. Convert the following rupees into paise. So rupees are given here. We have to convert this rupees into paise. So just remove this point and you write down that number 4.06 is there. So we have to remove this point. Then you write down directly that number 406p. Means what? 406 paise. Because we have to convert this rupees into paise. Then see second example, rupees 55.05. So remove this point and just write down this complete number and then write down small p. Your answer is ready. Now see third example, rupees 88.88. Again here also remove this point 8888, then write down p is 8888 paise. Then see fourth example, rupees 15.42. Again here also you have to remove that point. So 1, 5, 4, 2 paise. Then see fifth example, rupees 32.45. Here also you have to remove that point 3, 2, 4, 5 paise. So you have to draw this small line there with the help of your scale and pencil, and on that line you write down all these answers.